ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। Okay, all the kids, please quickly come. Come fast. One shloka we have to do. हाँ, हरि बोल। रौनक प्रभु की जय। Come, प्रभु जी, you also come.
I saw spider in the washroom.
Spider? Not Spider-Man, no?
A spider in the sink.
Okay. Krishna is also like spider. He lives in this web of material world, but he is not entangled. He remains alps. It is not entangled. Like that. Okay, let's repeat. Third seed verse. Okay. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam dadami buddhi yogam tam dadami buddhim yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Okay, one more time. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Tesham. Repeat. Tesham. Unto them. Satata yuktanam. Always engaged. Bhajatam. In rendering devotional service. Priti purvakam. In loving ecstasy. Dadami. I give. Buddhi yogam. Real intelligence. Tam. That. Yena. By which. Mam. Upayanti te. Come. They. So what is translation by Srila Prabhupada ki? Please repeat. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. So if we are not offering all our work to Krishna, then what will happen? Then real intelligence will not come. Only animalistic intelligence. Make money, have husband, wife, have kids, and then thank you, bye bye. Dadami buddhi yogam. Buddhi yogam is what? Real intelligence. See, Prabhupada is writing real intelligence, meaning unless and until Krishna's work is not done, what kind of intelligence we have? Real or not real? Not real. That is called artificial intelligence, AI. Correct? AI does not have real intelligence. It is word itself says artificial intelligence. Real intelligence is this. Connect everything to.
Krishna.
Okay, so how will you connect your studies? Huh? With?
Wire.
With wire?
That with pencil.
With pencil. And pencil is made by?
Krishna.
How?
Wood.
Wood. And wood comes from?
Krishna.
Tree.
Wood
So whatever you are writing is offered to Krishna. Then teacher is teaching you. Where is teacher coming from?
Krishna.
Aham sarvasya prabhavu. She is also from. School building.
Krishna.
How?
Bricks.
Bricks coming from? Mud. Mud from?
Krishna.
Okay. So name anything which we can connect.
Wires.
Wires are made from?
Electricity.
Copper, iron. Iron is found where?
In the mine.
Mine is made by?
Krishna.
Any scientist can make mines?
No.
Any scientist can make mountains?
No.
No. Why no?
Because they don't have everything to make it.
Exactly. So this is the thing. So if you want real intelligence, connect everything to Krishna. And then what will happen?
Connect all the wires to Krishna.
So he says, you'll come to me. So what is the benefit of coming to me? Why should I go to him?
Good intelligence.
Oh, good intelligence you'll get. What else? Spend? Huh?
Eternity.
Oh my God, difficult words. Spend eternity. Jai ho Prabhu ji ki. Fantastic. Huh? Spend, yes. But why we want to spend with him only? Why not with somebody else? Because he has three major qualities. What are those? Sat, Chit, and Anand. Sat means Sat, eternal. Chit, full of knowledge. And Anand. So anybody here sitting here who does not want Anand? What is Anand? Good question. There are three types of Anand. One, your class fellow Anand. Correct? Anybody has class fellow? His name is Anand? No.
No.
Nowadays they don't even keep the name. Earlier at least the name was there. Now that also is in scarcity. So one Anand is chocolate Anand.
Chocolate.
Pizza Anand. Pepsi Anand.
Just very well.
Huh?
Coke, Anand.
Huh? Coke Anand, yeah. Prabhuji Anand. Huh? Phone. Oh, that is the big Anand. Jai Ho Maharaj ji. But remember, in the phone everything is phony.
What a phony.
You check.
This is not a phone.
Oh my God. This is bigger than the phone.
That is a phone.
So they are bringing everything closer. First it was desktop, then laptop, keep it on the lap, then phone, iPhone, keep it in the hand, then earbuds. Everything is coming, then in the watch, everything is coming closer and closer. But where is the Anand? Okay, you can buy a very good phone, but can you buy good news coming in the phone?
Yes.
How?
No. Very well.
Huh? So you can buy a 10,000 dirham phone.
Yes. Very
But if the news is not good in that, Prabhuji, you have failed. What is the use of iPhone?
Let's do it.
Then throw it.
No, you keep
But if you have Samsung, I mean, I'm not advocating any phone.
You can use it as an extra phone.
Huh? If you have a phone which says, oh, Haribol, you have become first. So the news is better or the phone is better?
Phone.
Phone is better?
News is better.
News is better. And news, what is the question?
Samsung news be bad. All news is news.
Very good. All news is news. But when it comes to us personally, that time news becomes personal news. Correct? Prabhuji has come first in the class. That fellow has failed. That is Somebody has filled is news for you, but you came first is news for you. It is something more bigger than that, correct? Okay, so what has to be done? Buddhi yogam tam, whatever you do connected with?
Krishna.
Okay, you are taking bath in the morning, how will you connect?
I have to connect to river water.
You will connect to the bathroom, that's correct.
No. I connected to river water. From river water, I connected to Krishna.
Oh, Hari bol, river water Krishna, oh, Yamuna Maiya, Jai Ho. What else?
The shower metal.
Shower metal coming from the iron ore. See, Sarvasya Chaham Hridi Sannivishto, I am sitting in everybody's heart. So when you are taking bath, what are you doing? You are cleaning the temple. This body is temple.
Inside the body there is temple.
Yeah, because Krishna is sitting inside. I am not saying, Krishna is saying. Sarvasya Chaham Hridi Sannivishto. I am sitting inside. That is why you take bath.
How are you sitting inside? You're right here.
Not me, Krishna is sitting inside. Inside me also. Okay, so one more time we repeat and then we do Bhagavatam. Today nice story also. Okay, repeat. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. So if you want three things, Sat Chit Anand, eternity, as Prabhuji said, knowledge, and Anand, if you want. Three types of Anand. One is normal Anand, chocolate Anand. Second is Brahmanand. Brahmanand is what? No birth, old age, disease and death.
Which chocolate almond? Why
It depends which chocolate you buy. If you buy Cadbury's, Cadbury's Anand. If you buy... I don't know which one you like, Prabhuji. Which one you like?
like white?
Like white?
White.
White chocolate Anand. Oh my God.
I also like.
You also like. Your teeth gone because of that only.
No.
Huh? No?
No, my teeth.
You broke?
She
Okay.
fell down on the bed and two.
Okay.
She or he.
Okay, clear? So what you have to do every day? Just, brush of course. Brush is made of plastic. Plastic is made from?
Krishna.
That also is coming from him only. Everything is coming. Yes. Okay? Hare Krishna. Okay. Now, let us see. Hey, Haribol. One Krishna is beating another Krishna. She is also having small Krishna, not full Krishna. Inside, she is also Mame Vanshu Jivaloke. You also Mame Vanshu Jivaloke. You also small Krishna. This one also small Krishna. Okay. So what happens if you worship only Lakshmi Ji? Now it is turned for the adults. If you worship only Lakshmi Ji, what will happen? Who will come?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi Ji will come.
Lakshmi ji will come and give you wealth.
But Lakshmi Ji will come, but will come on what?
In the form of your dad.
In form of?
Your dad.
No.
What
What is the vehicle which she drives? Owl. What is the Hindi for owl? Ullu. She will come on Ullu ka patta. Ullu is son of Ullu only, no? Patta means son.
Owl.
And what will you become?
Then science.
See, what is the beauty of the owl? Owl cannot see in the day and only can see in the those activities are done when the night are there is night represents ignorance. Aram se. You can choose which Anand you want.
Both will take chocolate and you will take
I think I
Okay.
You mean
So
owl.
owl. Owl. Yes, this one owl, correct. So what happens if you have the owl in your house and you become like owl, meaning what? You are in ignorance because in the night only you can see, day you cannot see. But if you worship Lord Krishna, who comes on what vehicle?
Krishna will come on a eagle.
Okay, that is Garudji. Garudji represents Gyan. Garudji represents knowledge. And who will be sitting behind him? No. Vishnuji, behind Vishnu, who will be sitting on the Garud? No, Brahmaji, no. Lakshmi! So whom you should worship now? But Garudji's Gyan you can see in the day and in night. Owl only seeing in night.
That's why that also is bit bad.
You see? So you decide. If you worship Vishnuji, buy one get one free. Lakshmi ji comes free of charge because she has to sit on the lotus feet of Krishna. She cannot leave. Like this. Okay? Understood?
No.
Not understood?
No.
Why not?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Now today's topic, how to increase Krishna's mercy. Last time what did we discuss? Anybody remembers?
Yes, Brahmaji was asking for Krishna's mercy.
3-4 times he asked for Krishna's mercy. And he was about to do what?
And then Krishna said, take Madashray, then you...
Krishna said, Baba, mercy is already there. But you cannot feel it. Why? You should find out,
Because
IDK.
he...
Because why he was not able to feel Krishna's mercy? Because he was not showing us Mad Ashraya. Mad Ashraya means under protection of. So if I say I did, then I cannot feel Krishna's mercy. But we put our effort, but whatever happens, we say Krishna has done it. That is Mad Ashraya. Then we can feel the... Okay. Now let us see how to increase that mercy. Okay. क्या टाइम हो गया प्रभु जी? 8:53. Okay.
1 o'clock.
Okay. Please repeat after me. Srimad Bhagavatam 3:9-34. Okay. Today we don't have, unfortunately, that. Prabhuji's got busy in something.
What?
We also do the same thing. Everybody is busy. We have to respect everybody's. Okay, please repeat. Nana karma vitanena. Nana karma vitanena. Praja bhavih srishtatakaha. Praja bhavih srish satah na atma avasidati asmin ste varshiyan mat anugraha. Nana karma. Nana पे याद आ गया एक. You know, once what happened? There was one person. He was having a baby, an old man. His grandson was in his arms. Who was there?
Grandson.
So one saint was passing by. Saint means sage, one Mahatma, one Vaishnav. Realized soul was passing by. He was passing by. So this old man asked, Maharaj, please tell me what should I do? Now I have become very old, what should I do? He said, nothing, you do what this child is telling you. What this child was telling? Ba, 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 ba. He said, now it is time to behave like a Baba. Babaji, get into devotional service. So that person was very much attached to family. Hare Krishna. So what did he say? He said, this one is okay, my grandson is saying Baba. But I also have one Nati. That fellow says, na, 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 don't do. You got it?
No.
This one is telling, become Babaji. He is saying, no, 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 na, 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 na. So we have to be careful what who is telling and what we have to accept. So, nana karma vitanena. Praja bhavi सिसृश सतः न आत्मा अविसदिति अस्मिंस्ते वर्षियान मद अनुग्रह. So Krishna is now telling Brahmaji. First he told that you already have my mercy, and to manifest it, what you should do? You should take mad ashraya. Whatever you do, you should think that Krishna has enabled it, not yourself. Then you can, don't talk. Then you can feel the mercy of Krishna. Now Krishna is telling how you can increase that mercy. Nana karma vitanena.
Nana karma vidana.
Fantastic. Meaning, if varieties of services, first let's do the translation. Since you have
Since you have
desired to increase the population innumerably and expand your varieties of service, you shall never be deprived in this matter, because my causeless mercy upon you will always increase for all time. So what he is telling, since you have desired to increase the population, who has asked him to do this increased population? No, Brahmaji has been told by whom? By Krishna. So whose work is he doing? So he is saying, hey Haribol, Prabhuji, volume. Otherwise this, what do you call, Vachanand. So he is saying, since you have desired to do my work, Nana karma vitanena sishrishrak satah, you have desired to increase my work. If you desire to increase my work, number one, and expand your varieties of service, varishyayan, if two things are done, number one, desire to do his work more and more, and do whatever you can, different types of services. If these two things are done, then he promises, my causeless mercy upon you will always increase for all the time. So first is manifestation of the mercy, that is through Madashray, and then second, desiring to do his work, and desiring to do whatever possible, not just one particular thing, but whatever Krishna arranges in our. Prabhupada writes in, when Yashoda Maiya got up and she removed the milk from the stove, that time Prabhupada writes, did Yashoda Maiya do right or wrong? One side Krishna was being fed by her own milk, and second, she left Krishna and then she removed the milk from the stove. So is this right or wrong? Right?
wrong.
Wrong? Right? Right?
Right.
Prabhupada writes, there is nothing wrong in it, because he only sends the message what sequence a devotee should follow. But she was willing to do different services, feeding Krishna, taking out churning butter, taking care of the other milk, taking care of all the other chores, but all she was doing for Krishna. So manifestation through Mad Ashray and increasing is through two things. Simply desire to increase the service. Whatever capability Krishna has given, by his mercy, we try to increase the service. And second, expand the varieties of service. Whatever we can get. Listening, hearing, chanting is also service. Cooking is also service. Studying is also service, provided it is connected. What is that shloka you all remember? Please repeat. Yat karosi yadasnasi यज्जहोसि ददासि यत् यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय
तपस्यसि कौन्तेय
तत्कुरुष्व मतर्पणम्।
तत्कुरुष्व
क्या मीनिंग है, कौन बताएगा? फटाफट बताओ भाई। यत करोसी, यत मीन्स वॉट एवर, करोसी करते हो, यत असनासी जो कुछ, यत जहोसी ददासी यत, यत तपस्यसी कौन्तेय जो कुछ तपस्या करते हो घर में, ऑफिस में, स्कूल में, तत्कुरुष्व अर्पणम। वेरी नाइस। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अर्पणम? ऑफर। बस काम हो गया, ऑल जॉब इज डन। Doesn't look like, right? Very simple, but it is done. He is promising, not me. Okay, so what are the two things to first of all, what is the trick to manifest his mercy, which is already there for everybody? Take his ashray. Ashray is not there, we cannot feel, because then I am doing it, not he is doing, so we cannot feel. Number one. Second, how to increase his mercy all the time? Number one, simply desire to increase the service and to do any variety of services, whatever we are capable of, whatever Krishna arranges, whatever sequence comes, no problem. Two things. Okay, now let's quickly we proceed with Srimad Bhagavatam ahead in the third canto. So first of all, who spoke Srimad Bhagavatam? To Brahma ji, to Narad Muni, Narad ji to Vyasdev ji to Shukdev ji to Parikshit Maharaj. And who was listening there? Sud Goswami then spoke with. When Krishna was telling to Brahma ji, one more person was listening.
Shiva.
Very good. Lakshmi.
Shiva.
Okay. Sheshnag. Because he was relaxing on Sheshnag. That is why Sheshnag also spoke Srimad Bhagavatam to the Sanat Kumaras. So now what happens after this? The creation work starts. Brahma ji gets darshan, and after that we will quickly see who all are created. It is good to know this. Sanat Kumar come out first. They are the eldest children. The four Kumaras are the eldest children of Brahma ji. Clear? First of all, they were created. Next, after this, he requested Sanat Kumara ji because he wanted to increase population. He told the four Kumaras, go and generate population. They said, boss, हमसे नहीं होगा, हमें माफ करो इस चक्कर में, क्योंकि क्या है, ये वीर रस, गृहस्थ में रहना, वीर रस से भगवान की पूजा करना है, वीर रस से। यहां पे कमजोर आदमी का काम नहीं है। फल इसका वही होता है जो विरक्त का होता है, क्योंकि जिसको जो रोल मिला है वो उसे ठीक से करना है। जो विरक्त को रोल मिला है उसको वो रोल करना है, जिसको गृहस्थ का रोल मिला उसे वो रोल करना है। ऐसे ही अगर आपके सामने चोर आता है तो आपको डंडे से पिटाई करनी है, तो भगवान खुश होते हैं, क्योंकि भगवान चोर के रूप में आते हैं, उनको डंडा ही चाहिए उस वक्त, लाइटर वेन, जो जिस रोल में है। तो ब्रह्मा जी को रोल मिला था क्या? पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज का। अब 4 बेटे आ गए बाहर, उनसे बोला जाओ भाई पॉपुलेशन बढ़ाओ, उन्होंने बोला बस हमसे नहीं होगा। तो क्या हुआ? अगर कोई जना मना करता है हमारी बात तो क्या होता है? हमें क्या आता है? गुस्सा आता है। ब्रह्मा जी को भी। और फिर कौन प्रकट हुए गुस्से की वजह से? रुद्र। सनत कुमार बड़े भाई हैं शंकर जी के। सबसे पहले 4 सनत कुमार आए, उसके बाद में रुद्र आए। अब जब रुद्र आए तो क्या हुआ महाराज? उन्होंने तो तांडव शुरू कर दिया। तो उन्होंने बोला भाई तुम शांति से एक जगह पे रहो अपने उसमें। फिर उसके बाद में ब्रह्मा जी ने उनके 10 और सन्स आए, उनके नाम है, जस्ट फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन सो दैट वी शुड नो कि ये सब संसार कहां से आ रहा है। मरीचि, अत्रि, अंगिरा, पुलस्त, पुलाह, क्रतु, भृगु, वशिष्ठ, दक्ष, और 10वें पुत्र थे नारद जी। ये 10 प्रकट हुए। अब आप देख सकते हैं इन सब ने फिर आगे चल के, नारद जी ने नहीं पर बाकियों ने, दक्ष, दक्ष का मतलब क्या है? इंग्लिश वर्ड ऑफ दक्ष, एक्सपर्ट, एक्सपर्ट इन क्रिएटिंग पॉपुलेशन, दैट इज व्हाई हिज नेम इज दक्ष। ओके, तो हम देख सकते हैं कि अगर हम अपने गोत्र या पीछे बैक उसमें जाएंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं आप देखेंगे ये वशिष्ठ कुल से आ रहे हैं, ये भृगु वंश से आ रहे हैं, ये अंगीरा से आ रहे हैं, ये वशिष्ठ से आ रहे हैं। अगर आप देखेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं इसका कनेक्शन मिल जाएगा। अच्छा जी, उसके बाद में क्या हुआ? उसके बाद में सेज करदम आए। खोल दीजिए माता जी, नो प्रॉब्लम। अब बाहर भी लेके जा सकती हैं अगर वहां पे थोड़ा खुश है तो। इस तरफ सिक्योर्ड है ओपन एरिया। करदम मुनि आए। करदम मुनि की वाइफ कौन थी जी? हाँ, देवहूति, वो थी। उसके बाद में ब्रह्मा जी के एक पुत्री हुई, उसका नाम था वाक। अब बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज हुई उस वक्त, विच इज कोटेड इन श्रीमद् भागवतम। ब्रह्मा जी बिकेम लस्टी बिहाइंड हिज ओन डॉटर। Prabhupada writes, this would have happened in the age of that Brahma until he had not heard Srimad Bhagavatam. Because after hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, this complication does not arise. So he ran behind, and then his other elder sons, brothers of Vak, जितने मारीची वगैरह थे, they got hold of Brahma ji, भाई क्या कर रहे हो आप? Why are you complicating matters? And then he receded. So this is to show, Prabhupada writes, that one should therefore be extremely careful in this regard. If he left, that Brahmaji left. And the other Brahmajis, because in every yuga there is Brahmaji, so after hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, that Brahma, no problem. But before that, this happened.
So this incident happened before listening Bhagavatam?
Yes. This is what the case is. So this is to show us that if Brahmaji, they are, if you have had Krishna's darshan and you are doing his work, I mean this is for him, it doesn't really matter, they are empowered souls. But this is demonstration of the fact that how situation, yes, this is the situation. Prabhupada writes, Maitreya cited this example. All this is being told by Maitri Muni to Vidurji while he is on a tour. Correct? So Maitriji cited this example on part of Brahma just to bring to our notice of this great danger. And the sons of Brahma said, O father, this performance in which you are endeavoring to complicate yourself was never attempted by any other Brahma, nor by anyone else, nor by you in previous kalpas, nor will anyone dare to attempt in the future. You are the supreme being in this universe. How is it that you want to have sex with your daughter and cannot control your desire? So moral of one side is this and one side is Haridas Thakur. The king sent the prostitute to Haridas Thakur. She came because they were very jealous that how come somebody from our fraternity has gone into Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and he said, no problem, sit down. He said, I have to finish my rounds, then I will entertain you. She did not know his rounds will never end. One day passed, 2 days passed, third day she took initiation. See the comparison of Bhakti Yoga. This is all for our upliftment. Brahmaji is also one of the, what do you call it, Rajas avatar only. He is doing his Leela to create, but it can happen. Okay ji. Prabhupada writes, but it could not have happened in the kalp in which Brahma heard directly from the Lord the 4 essential verses of Srimad Bhagavatam, because the Lord blessed Brahma after giving him lessons on the Bhagavatam that he would never be bewildered in any kalp whatsoever. So this is a lesson for us. So one who is reading, hearing, chanting Srimad Bhagavatam can be saved from this complication. ये हमारे लिए. Okay. Further what happened? Manu and Shatrupa were born. This is how the creation is happening. And then Manu and Shatrupa, they had 5 children. 2 sons, Priyavrat, Uttanpad, father of Dhruv Maharaj. And then 3 daughters, Akuti, Devahuti, Kardam Muni's wife, and Prasuti, Daksh was husband. So like this the generation is being. Now Manu said, we are here, Brahmaji, where should we live? So at that time, where was the earth? Huh? Yes, it was submerged in the Rasatal. So Brahmaji then thought, the one who has allowed me, he took Mad Ashray. He said, the one who has allowed me to create will find the place for these people to stay. And from his nostril, Varaha came out. The boar incarnation, from his small, like a thumb. And then went to the sky and became huge, gigantic. And then they understood. And then he dived inside the sea. And the sea cried, don't cut me into 2 pieces, because he was so much powerful, it just splashed on 2 places. And then he went down and he brought the earth up through on his tusk. And then he again put it on the water. This time what happened? Did the earth go down? It floated. We can see all this. We don't need any scientific explanation. We can see sun, moon, everything. How come they are so heavy and they are not falling anywhere? Isn't it amazing? They are just rotating in their orbit. One small rocket we want to send. The whole nation, the whole world is watching this maneuver, that maneuver. Our Krishna has made. Just by looking at it, he has made. And they are all stationed there wherever they are. Okay. And then after that, when he was bringing it out, separately we will see Hiranyaksh came to fight him. And then he was killed by Varahadev. That is a separate one we will discuss later. Now let us see. So first one we have, today we had 2 topics. Number 1 is how to increase mercy. What are the 2 things for increasing mercy? One is Madashray is you will feel the mercy. How to increase? Variety of service. And second, desire to serve. बस डिजायर है तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा. इस गेम में सब डिजायर है. जो भी हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं रेगुलेटिव प्रिंसिपल्स, दैट इज टू इग्नाइट द डिजायर. जैसे बारबेक्यू करने जाते तो एक लिक्विड आता है, उसको डालो उसके बाद आग लग जाती है. ऐसे ही हरि नाम है, श्रीमद् भागवतम है, एक बार आग लग गई फिर जयराम जी की.
प्रभु डिजायर तो सब रहेगा तो वैरायटी तो फिर आ भी जाएगी.
बस डिजायर इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. करेक्ट. ये तो हुआ तो इट विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. ही इज सेइंग दिस. अच्छा जी, अब आगे चलते हैं. दूसरा हमारा टॉपिक था आज का, हाउ टू स्टॉप द पैंग्स ऑफ मटेरियल नेचर. पैंग्स का क्या मीनिंग है? प्रभुपाद हैज यूज्ड दिस ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड. पैंग्स क्या होता है?
Sudden desire to be.
सडन इज करेक्ट. पेन, सडन शूटिंग शार्प पेन, cutting, that is called pang. So we, all of us, we don't have to say yes or no, but we, all of us are going through the pangs of material nature. No need to confirm. क्यों प्रभु जी, कंफर्मेशन चाहिए क्या? मतलब किसी ने आज तक पूछा भाई आपको पैंग्स होते हैं क्या? अरे भैया होते ही हैं. कोई बचा कोई नहीं है, हैं? चलती चाकी देख के दिया कबीरा रोए, और 2 पाटन के बीच में साबुत बचा न कोए. तो उसका आंसर में किसी ने बोला लेकिन जो दाने होते हैं डंडे के पास पड़े रहते हैं वो बच जाते हैं, वो नहीं पिसते. वो डंडा हमारे कृष्ण जी, उनसे पकड़ा रहो तो कोई पीसने का चक्कर नहीं है। तो अभी हाउ टू स्टॉप द पैंग्स ऑफ मटेरियल नेचर, बहुत ही ये भी सटल है। टाइम क्या हो गया उसके हिसाब से लेंगे, अगर समय हो गया तो अगली बार, नहीं तो हाँ कितने बजे तक? आज वसंत प्रभु नहीं आए, नहीं तो बता देते। हाँ? अरे नहीं, मेरी विश से क्या होता है। बोलिए जी कितने समय तक है? 9:30 हुआ है अभी, 9:50, 9:30 तक। ओके 9:30 तक हो जाएगा शायद मेरे ख्याल में। चलिए जी, अब इसमें हम आते हैं कि हाउ टू स्टॉप द पैंग्स। पर इसके पहले कृष्ण कथा को सुनने से एक काम होता है, उसको श्रीमद् भागवतम में 3:13-48 में बताया है। चलिए जी रिपीट करिए। य एवं एताम हरिमेधसो हरेह कथाम सुभद्रम कथनीयमायिनः शृण्वत भक्त्या श्रवयेत वोषितम् जनार्दनोऽस्याशु हृदय प्रसीदति। तो अब इसमें बता रहे हैं कि भगवान की हरि कथा सुनने से श्रवणविता जो सुनता है, भक्त्या इन डिवोशन, श्रवयेता जो दूसरों को सुनाता है। ये दोनों जने सुनने वाला, क्योंकि बोधयंता परस्परम, यहाँ एक का गेम नहीं है। जो सुनाता है और जो सुनता है उनके साथ में क्या होता है? जनार्दन प्रसीदति। प्रसीदति भगवान उससे बहुत प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं। ट्रांसलेशन है, इफ वन हियर्स and describes in devotional service attitude the auspicious narration of this Lord Boar और भगवान की कथा which is worthy of description, the Lord who is within the heart of everyone is very pleased। हरी कथा सुनने से यहां तक होता है, लेकिन पैंग्स वैंग्स का कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे। भगवान प्लीज हो जाते हैं। अच्छा, भगवान क्यों प्लीज होते हैं भगवान की कथा सुन के? क्या उन्हें अच्छा लगता है? अरे मेरी बात कर रहा है, चलो खुश हुए। तो क्यों प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं?
जितनी देर बात कर रहे हैं उतनी देर पेन भूल जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा हाँ, वेरी गुड। वो तो आगे का भी टॉपिक हम लेंगे। अब वो भगवान क्यों प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं उनकी कथा खुद सुन के?
कोई भी खुश होता है तो अपनी तारीफ
ओके, अपनी तारीफ सुन के कुछ भी खुश होता है। पर भगवान को वो चीज, उन्हें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सब कुछ ही है। हाँ, so what happens is he is very happy that अब ये लोग घर आने वाले हैं। जैसे आपका बच्चा अगर हॉस्टल में पढ़ता है, अब आपने उसकी टिकट बुक करा दी, अब आप वेट कर रहे हो 4 दिन के बाद में लड़का या लड़की आएगा, या आपने अपने ननिहाल ससुराल कहीं भेज दिया बच्चे को, अब वो थोड़े दिन में आएगा, तो माँ बाप कितने खुश होते हैं, भैया आएगा आएगा चलो तैयारी करो। ऐसे ही वो खुश होते हैं, अरे मेरा नाम ले रहा आप घर आने वाला है, तो प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं। उनको अपनी वो कुछ नहीं है, उनका तो वो 24 घंटे वो वैकुंठ में यही चल रहा है। वो 24 घंटे उनकी पूजा हो रही है, उनको क्या है वो, और वो चाहे तो करोड़ों जनक पैदा करते हैं उनकी पूजा करने वाले, वो क्या बड़ी बात है। ओके, तो क्या हो गया जी? भगवान की कथा सुनने से भगवान क्या होते हैं? क्या होते हैं जी? प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं। अच्छा जी, अब हम आगे चलते हैं। तस्मिन् प्रसन्ने सकल आशीषम प्रभु, अरे किम दुर्लभम ताभि अलम लव आत्मभि। जब भगवान प्रसन्न होते हैं तो क्या दुर्लभ रह जाता है? कुछ भी दुर्लभ नहीं रह जाता। कुछ बचा क्या? सभी कुछ हो गया। तो नथिंग रिमेन्स अनअचीव्ड व्हेन द सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉडहेड इज प्लीज्ड बाय समवन। ठीक है जी, ओके। अब आगे चलते हैं 3:13-50। अब यहां पे सीक्रेट आता है, देखिए जी, बोलिए। को नाम लोके पुरुषार्थ सार्विता पुरा कथा नाम भगवत कथा सुधाम अपीय अपीय कर्ण अंजलि भी भव अपाहम अहो वर्यजेत विना नरेतरम। अब देखिए जी, भव अपीह अपाहम, that which kills all material pangs. Translation by Srila Prabhupada 3:13-50. Please repeat. Who other than one who is not a human being can exist in this world and not be interested in the ultimate goal of life? Who can refuse the nectar of narrations about the personality of Godhead's activities? फिर से बोलिए जी, who can refuse the nectar, कथा सुधाम, who can refuse the nectar of narrations about personality of Godhead activities, repeat, which by itself can deliver one from all material pangs. तो भगवान की कथा सुनने से एक तो वो प्रसिद्धति हो जाते हैं, प्लस मटेरियल पैंग्स छूट जाते हैं, ऐसा भागवतम में बताया। लेकिन हम कैसे माने कि ऐसा होता है? तभी पता पड़ेगा ना, इसमें लिखा है, खाली लिखे से क्या है, कुछ पता होना चाहिए, पता पड़ना चाहिए ना कि भगवान का नाम गुणगान सुनने से एक तो भगवान प्रसन्न होते हैं और दूसरा मटेरियल पैंग्स से छुटकारा मिल जाता है। अब जी, why do material pangs finished by hearing कृष्ण कथा? अब इसका लॉजिकल आंसर हमको देखना चाहिए। इसका आंसर है, सूत जी ने दिया इसका आंसर शौनक आदि ऋषियों को 1-19 में। प्लीज रिपीट। तदा रजस्तमो भाव काम लोभादयश्च ये चेत एतिर अनाविद्धम स्थितम सत्वे प्रसीदति। तदा यानी एट दैट टाइम, बाय हियरिंग कृष्ण कथा क्या होता है जी? रजः तमः भाव काम लोभ आदाय च, इट विल स्टॉप द पैंग्स ऑफ मटेरियल नेचर। मटेरियल नेचर में कौन से 3 गुण हैं जी? सत्व, रज और तम। अब भगवान यहाँ वो बता रहे हैं सूत जी कि जो इग्नोरेंस है, तम है, और जो रजस है उससे क्या होता है जी? तमह भाव, उससे क्या? काम लोभ आदाय च। ये मटेरियल पैंग इसलिए आ रहे हैं क्योंकि काम क्रोध लोभ है, इसलिए है ये मटेरियल पैंग। अगर ये ना हो तो मटेरियल पैंग नहीं है। अब देखो, सोच के देखो, अगर मुझे गुस्सा भी नहीं आए, कामना भी उत्पन्न ना हो, क्रोध भी नहीं हो, मोह भी नहीं हो, मद भी नहीं हो, मत्सर भी नहीं हो, तो क्या मेरे को फिर मटेरियल पैंग लगेगा? क्योंकि मटेरियल बना ही इस चीज का है। मटेरियल नेचर बनी इस चीज की है ना। मोड ऑफ इग्नोरेंस और मोड ऑफ पैशन में यही है, काम क्रोध मोद लोभ और ग्रीड एंड मद मत्सर। तो जब भगवान की कथा सुनी जाती है, इनके इस लिखा तदा रजस तमो भाव काम लोभादयश्च ये जितने भी हैं, इनका क्या होता है जी? चेता इतर अनाविद्धम, ये अफेक्ट करना बंद कर देते हैं भगवान की कथा सुनने से। ये लॉजिकल आंसर है। भगवान की कथा सुनने से काम क्रोध लोभ, ये तो हम एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। पिछले 40 मिनट से काम क्रोध लोभ हम में से आएगा किसी को? ये तो इतना तो एक्सपीरियंस हर एक को है कि जब भगवान के उसमें लगे होते हैं तो ये सब चीजें छूट जाती हैं। उस वक्त मटेरियल पैंग नहीं होता है। तो सूत जी कह रहे हैं कि भाई, एज सून एज कृष्ण कथा irrevocable loving service is established in the heart, the effects of the nature's mode of passion and ignorance such as lust, desire, hankering disappear from the heart. They are all cleaned up. अब हम कैसे मान लें कि ये क्लीन होती है? अब इसमें तर्क करिए। वैसे तो सबका एक्सपीरियंस है, पर ऐसा क्यों है? तो इफेक्ट ऑफ मोड ऑफ पैशन और इग्नोरेंस क्या है जी? लस्ट, डिजायर, हैंकरिंग वगैरह। क्लियर? जब तक ये है इग्नोरेंस और पैशन, तब तक पैंग्स हैं। करेक्ट है जी? जब कृष्ण कथा सुनी उस वक्त पैशन और इग्नोरेंस खत्म हो गया और लस्ट, एंगर, डिजायर सब कुछ क्लीन अप हो गया। कैसे? भगवान की कथा सुनने से क्यों हो गया क्लीन? इसका आंसर भगवान ने खुद दिया है भागवतम में 1-17। प्लीज रिपीट। श्रवणवताम स्वकथा कृष्ण पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तन हृदयंतस्थो हि अभद्राणि विधुनोति सुहृत्सुताम। क्या है इसका मीनिंग? श्रवणवताम, स्वकथा, भगवान की कथा, कृष्ण की कथा, पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तना, सुनता है और कीर्तन करता है। हृदयंतस्थो, हृदय में बैठ के, अभद्राणी, अभद्राणी क्या है जी? वो क्या चीज है? इनऑस्पिशियस चीजें, यही काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मटेरियल पैंग्स, ये जो है भगवान कह रहे हैं मैं खुद विधुनोति, मैं धोबी का काम करता हूं, मैं धोता हूं उसको, आपके हृदय में बैठ के मैं उसको धोता हूं। सुहृत्सुताम, क्योंकि मैं सबसे इंटीमेट फ्रेंड हूं आपका, इसलिए वो क्लीन हो जाते हैं। नहीं तो और कुछ नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि ये शरीर इसीलिए चल रहा है, महाराज बोलते थे, क्योंकि अंदर एंटीसेप्टिक बैठे हुए हैं भगवान। अगर वो निकल जाए तो 2 मिनट में ये सब खत्म है, तो दिखाई देता है वो तो प्लीज रिपीट। श्रवणवताम स्वकथा कृष्णा पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तन हृदयंतस्थो हि अभद्राणि विधुनोति सुहृत्सुताम। Translation, please repeat. Shri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who is the Paramatma super soul in everyone's heart and the benefactor of the truthful devotee, cleanses desire for material enjoyment from the heart of the devotee who has developed the urge to hear his katha, which are in themselves virtuous when properly heard and chanted. तो अब सीक्वेंस क्लियर हो गया जी। स्टॉप कैसे होंगे मटेरियल पैंग्स? मटेरियल पैंग्स किस में है? 2 नेचर में है। किस किस में? रजस और तमस। रजस तमस में से क्या क्या निकल के आ रहा है? जब कृष्ण कथा सुना, एक तो प्रसन्न हो गए, दूसरा हृदय में बैठ के इस सब को उन्होंने क्लीन कर दिया। अब जब ये चीजें बची नहीं तो पैंग्स कहां से बचेंगे? चीजें सारी वही रहेंगी बाहर, लेकिन दर्द होना खत्म हो जाएगा। इसका एक और प्रूफ है, उस पे हम एंड करेंगे। प्लीज रिपीट। हम रोज बोलते हैं उसको पूरे संसार में, इस्कॉन में, नष्ट प्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यम भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्ठिकी। इसलिए श्रीमद् भागवतम में बोला गया कि जो नित्य भगवान की सेवा करता है, भगवान का भागवतम सुनता है, उसके नष्ट प्रायेषु अभद्रेषु, उसके ये जो काम, क्रोध, लोभ, ये जो इग्नोरेंस और ये है, ये सब खत्म हो जाता है। और वो क्या होता है? उत्तम भक्तिर्भवती नैष्ठिकी। भक्ति में तो वो नैष्ठिकी हो ही जाता है और भगवान प्रसन्न हो ही जाते हैं, लेकिन साथ में मटेरियल पैंग्स भी उसके। अब कोई कह सकता है भी हमारे मटेरियल पैंग 10% कम हुए हैं, कोई कह सकता है 90% हुए, तो उसका आंसर भगवत गीता भगवान दिया है। ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते तथा भजाम में। हम जितने उसमें रेशियो में आप करोगे, उतने रेशियो में आपको ये हुआ। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। एग्जैक्ट 9:30 प्रभु जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। चलो बच्चा लोग आ जाओ भाई।